Ever wondered which cryptocurrencies you can actually hold securely in your own hands without relying solely on digital wallets or exchanges? That's a question many crypto enthusiasts are asking, especially when it comes to hardware wallets like Tangem. Tangem has carved a niche for itself by offering a unique approach to crypto storage, physical, NFC-enabled cards. These aren't your typical USB-style hardware wallets. They look and feel like a credit card, making them incredibly portable and user-friendly. But the big question remains, what digital assets can these handy cards actually hold? Well, the good news is that Tangem supports a wide array of popular cryptocurrencies. At its core, Tangem wallets are designed to handle the major blockchain networks. This means you can definitely store your Bitcoin, BTC, the original cryptocurrency and still the market leader. Holding your private keys for Bitcoin offline on a Tangem card offers a significant layer of security against online threats. Beyond Bitcoin, Ethereum, ETH, is also fully supported. This is crucial given Ethereum's vast ecosystem of decentralized applications, dApps, and its position as the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. You can securely store your Ether and any ERC20 tokens directly on your Tangem card. This opens up a world of possibilities for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain while maintaining control of your private keys. But the compatibility doesn't stop there. Tangem wallets typically support other significant Layer 1 blockchains and their native tokens. You can expect to be able to store cryptocurrencies like BNB, Binance Coin, the token of the Binance ecosystem, XRP, Ripple, known for its focus on payment solutions, Cardano, ADA, a blockchain platform emphasizing scientific philosophy and research-driven development, Solana, SOL, a high-performance blockchain known for its speed and scalability, and Polkadot, DOT, a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset. Furthermore, Tangem often extends its support to other notable cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, popular meme coins that have garnered significant community interest. The inclusion of these coins demonstrates Tangem's commitment to catering to a broad range of crypto holders. It's important to note that while Tangem supports a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, the specific list can evolve over time with firmware updates. Therefore, it's always a good idea to check the official Tangem website or the Tangem app for the most up-to-date list of supported assets. You will usually find a comprehensive list detailing all the coins and tokens you can manage with their hardware wallet. The beauty of Tangem's approach lies not only in the number of cryptocurrencies supported but also in the ease of use. Adding and managing different crypto assets is typically a straightforward process through their companion mobile application. The NFC functionality allows for quick and easy interaction with your wallet, making transactions and balance checks convenient. So, if you're looking for a secure and user-friendly way to hold a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies, Tangem offers a compelling solution with its support for major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot, along with various other altcoins and ERC20 tokens. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.